front of me is TCL NXTpaper 11 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Security and Privacy. Then scroll again to choose Device Unlock. Hit Face Unlock here and enter your current login method. Now choose Start, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Wait for 100% mark. When it's ready, select Done. Hit OK in Attention pop-up and go back. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!